That's it.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are here at Benaulim Beach, which is a very beautiful beach here in South Goa. So right now it's in the middle of the day, it's very hot, but the place is really beautiful. And if you're new to my channel, I'm a Goan, I'm a local, I do a lot of videos here in Goa, so I'm going to be taking you to this beautiful beach and showing you around. So let's go and see this beautiful beach, which is Benaulim Beach in South Goa, guys. So let's go and check it out. So this is the entrance to the beach. It's very beautiful. We have this famous John C shack over here, and we have other shacks as well that are open at the moment. So we're going to head on to the beach. This is a great place to come for a beer, or if you want to chill out. John C's shack. So the water, as you can see, is very blue, and I'm going to be taking a lot of drone shots and showing you this beautiful beach. And I'm really surprised, but there is quite a lot of foreigners here. I've seen a lot of foreigners at the main market area. And look at this, guys, how beautiful is this? This is the best part about Goa. So guys, look at this place. How beautiful is this place? We are going to go around and see how it looks like over here. And as you can see, if you can see in the distance, there are foreigners sunbathing, and the rains have stopped, so the beach is absolutely beautiful. There are a lot of fishermen over here at the moment, so they all go to fish at this time. If you can see in the distance, there's fishermen pulling the lines, and there's a boat in the distance over there which is getting all the fish in. So most of the local guys over here are fishermen. They catch their fish and sell it to the shacks or around over here. So we are going to just take a little walk on the beach. So it's very beautiful. The sky is completely blue, and this shack over here, as you can see, is gorgeous. So we're just going to walk around the beach. So far in the distance over is Kolva Beach, and over there you have what is it? That's called Bat Island, and there's Navy Island. There are two islands that you can see in the distance. It's so nice to see local fishermen going out at this time to catch their fish, and in the evening, you know, those same families are going to enjoy the fish.
Just go with the flow.
Go with the flow.
And follow your heart.
Yes, beautiful.
Yeah, and that's it. That's it. That's all of our life advice. Yeah, exactly.
So any last words before you leave India?
Me? Yes. Oh my god, do you have time?
Yes.
Just thank you to India, that's it. Yeah, I mean, so I think it changed us both a lot. Yeah. And
what did you find in India that...
My soul.
Really? Wow.
You like it?
Yeah.
My sunglasses are dirty. This is a funny one, you know. Also, if you add you can put this at the end of the video.
I
Yeah,
like
to add like funny things.
Yeah.
My sunglasses are dirty. Yeah, still dirty, but it's okay.
Yeah.
I found my soul, my peace, my happiness, my new job.
Oh yeah, yoga.
True. New amazing people. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah. More than friends, you know, when there is something.
Yes.
I mean, like a
deep
sister,
connection.
a deep connection.
Yes.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Dhanyavad. Namaste. Bye.
So I would definitely recommend coming to this beach. We're just going to walk around a bit, and I'm going to show you the place over here. So they have these beach shacks which are open. There's Blue Corner, which is open, and I will show you some other shacks that are also open at the moment. So as you can see, there is no boating over here available. So we're just going to go around and see what else is there. Wow, it's beautiful. So it's so gorgeous over here in Benaulim. So we have our foreigners laying around, and we're going to head in back to the main area, which is the John C's shack is where I started off from. I'm going to take you there and show you around.
Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Gotta be down because I want it all. It started out with a kiss. How did it end up like this? It was only a kiss. It was only a kiss. Now I'm falling asleep and she's calling a cab while he's having a smoke and she's taking a drag. Now they're going to bed and my stomach is sick and it's all in my head, but she's touching his chest. Now he takes off her dress. Now let me go. And I just can't look, it's killing me and taking control. Jealousy turning saints into the sea, swimming through sick lullabies, joking on your alibis. But it's just the price I pay. Destiny is calling me. Open up my eager eyes, 'cause I missed her bright side. I'm coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Gotta be down because I want it all. It started out with a kiss. How did it end up like this? It was only a kiss. It was only a kiss. Now I'm falling asleep and she's calling a cab while he's having a smoke and she's taking a drag. Now they're going to bed and my stomach is sick and it's all in my head, but she's touching his chest. Now he takes off her dress. Now let me go. 'Cause I just
So guys, that is it from here in the Benaulim Beach. I met some incredible people, as you saw, and it is just an amazing place. Definitely one of the best places to come here, as there's very few tourists and very few people on the beach, so you will have an amazing time here. And you can come to any of these shacks and you'll have a amazing time, especially if you come in the evening or you come here late at night. You can have a beer or a few drinks here. Be responsible, don't throw anything on the beach, be clean, and you'll have a great time here in Goa, guys. So that is it from Benaulim Beach. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe.